First remove, after keeping like this, first remove this one, this screws. This is the cleaning unit. Say cleaning unit. To remove the cleaning unit, first remove this one screw and remove this second screw, this one. Okay. Once you remove the first screw, while removing the second screw, this one, you need to hold the transfer belt, the cleaning unit. Hold like this. Else it fell down on the belt and belt will damage. Now you can remove this out and keep it out. While you are removing this one, you need to you can remove this one and you can clean it. Again, you can clean this one and you can clean this blade. Okay, and keep it side. Now first remove this one. To remove this one, there is one screw here and same like there is one more screw here. Okay, there is two screws. Just remove these two screws. Now this one will come out. Okay, keep aside. Now you can remove this spring. While removing the spring, hold here, not here, not here. Hold on the edge and the last edge and remove like this. Don't damage this spring more. If you are pulling it out more, it will it will become loose. Then the belt it will not come stiffness. Okay. Same like this side. There are two springs are there. Just remove this one by holding the corner. Now you can remove this one out. Keep aside. Hold like this here and here, this side, and bend it like this. Okay. Okay. Now we bend it like this. Before bending like this one, we need to remove this one, and mostly that one we need to remove. If you are not remove the the cleaning unit, that will broke. Okay. Now first remove these two screws. There's this one and two. These two screws. Then this will come out. See, this is like this. After removing these two screws, this will come out. Okay, after removing this one, see this one. This one is there, right? This one will give you the tension to the belt. This one with the spring, spring will come here, and this will give the tension to the belt, total belt. So while you are fixing, if you can see these two are seeing, right? These two should touch that one, this one and this one. These two should touch like this. If it is a little bit loose, then belt will tear. While you are fixing this one, be careful. It should fix properly, then fix the screw. Remove this screw, this one, then that will come out. See now. If you fix like this, if you tighten the belt, now we see this one, the other one is not touched, and this one is also not touched to that body. If you are fixing the screw like this and tight it, then belt will tear. Okay? While you are fixing, these two should touch here, then you need to fix the screw here. Then remove it out. Now you can remove these two. There is one screw here and one more screw here. If you remove these two, this will come out. Now we need to remove this one also. This is the one small lock is there, plastic lock. If you pull it out, it will come out, and it will go on. It will sit on this hole, this cut. Then this bearing also will come out. Okay, now belt is become free. Now you can remove the belt. While removing the belt also, don't damage the belt. Don't touch the belt in the middle place. Only you need to touch it here and here. Nothing more. No other place you need to touch. While removing, be careful. Okay, now this is the transfer belt. While you are fixing, how you remove, same like you need to fix. Like you should not do like this. You should not do like this. You need to fix like this one. On the same way you need to fix. How you remove, same way you need to fix. If you can see here, this is the number, right? There is one number is looking right. If you can see on these corners, there is one number will be there. That number will come on the top. Okay, while you are fixing, that number will come on the top. While you are fixing, you should not alter like this. If you alter like this, belt will tear. Okay, you can fix like this only again. Again, if you are fixing, you can fix like same this here and fix the screws as it is out the oil removed. But while you are fixing this one, make sure, see, I will tell you here, keep like this, and this will go downside of this one, this one. This will go downside of this one, okay? See, fix it like this. It's touched, see, now it's touched here and it's touched here. Now fix the screw. If you fix it like this little bit wide, then belt will tear, okay? See, this one second transfer upper roller, this one second transfer upper. This also we need to replace after the period of times. Okay, this one second transfer upper roller. This also we need to fix like this only. See, from this side on the top there is a smooth area, right? If you are seeing this, there is a hole. Okay, so that hole will go on the downside and this will come on the top side. For this you will get some supply. This is the conductor and this is the non-conductor. So if you are fix the conductor area in non-conductor in conductor area, electricity will not pass. That will be give the other problems. So while you are fixing, you need to fix like this one. This one will come on the top. This one is second transfer upper roller. Okay. See, this one first transfer roller, first transfer yellow, first transfer magenta, first transfer cyan, and first transfer black. This also we need to remove, we need to replace after period of time. Like in this, as per manual, we need to replace at 200,000, but we can replace after 400,000. See, this one is not much easy, but don't hold like here, hold on the corners and pull it out. It will come out. Okay, while you are fixing this one also, you need to fix, this is the conductor, you need to go that side. This is the non-conductor, you need to go this side. That you need to take care. You can remove this one and you can fix it. Same like this one, and all will come like this only. But this black will come little bit difficult. For that we need to remove the locks from this side. We need to remove this lock and we need to push it out. Then we need to remove it out. For this one, for this black. Only for the black only this problem will come. Rest all will come easily. Okay. This is first transfer. First. Yellow, magenta, cyan, black. First transfer there are 4 rollers. This is second transfer lower. And second transfer upper. And second transfer lower will come with along with the fuser unit. So there are 2 rollers here. Second transfer upper and second transfer roller. There are 2 rollers and these are 4 rollers. Total 6 rollers we need to replace, and there is a 1 belt we need to replace. Total 7 plus we need to replace the cleaning blade and cleaning unit, total unit. So in this totally we need to around replace 8 units approximately as the consumables. So rest all are the service parts. Like if any harness gone, anything is gone, we need to replace something else. Or else sometimes we need to replace total unit. Okay? Come easily. It's just we need to push it up and it will come out. This is the first transfer roller of cyan. But while yellow, magenta, cyan come easily, it's no problem. But while you are removing the black, first remove this one, C-lock. Okay, then remove this bearing. Okay, now push it over it. See, now it's open. While you are pushing, it is open. Now it will come out. And this side also, see, this is downside of this one. It will push it out, it will come out. Okay, and for these 3 rollers are same. These 3 are same, but this one is different. This you cannot keep it here. Okay, these 2 you can interchange from here to there, there to here, but this one it's not changeable. While you are keeping back, while you again see, this is the conductor area is coming this side. But you need to take care and keep it here and push down. Push it to downside of this one. Then push it here. Then while you are pushing, there is one sound will come, tuck bolge, then it's fixed properly. Now while you are fixing back, pull it out, make it here. Now it's fixed. Now fix this one. Then fix this lock. Okay. Fixing back. First, see the two holes are right. First this side you can fix it inside. Okay. Then this side. If you are trying both the same side, it will give you issue. First fix that side, then make it inside. Okay. Now it's gone inside. Don't hold like here. Only hold on this corner and downside corners only. While you are fixing the see, now it is there here, it's stuck here. That you need to little bit move it and push it back slowly. But if you press it hard, then that will go on. Okay, fix it properly inside. So once you are fixing back, then you can fix the back whatever you have removed. First remove this one. You can fix it here. See, there is one bearing is here. This bearing will come on here, this hole. Sorry. This bearing will come like this. Okay. Now fix this screw closer. If you observe these things, from where I was removed, this screw I was removed, this spring I was removed from this side, this bearing I was removed from this side, this C-lock I was removed from this side, I kept in this side. What are all removed from this side, I was kept this side. If you keep like this, it will be easy for you to while fixing. You can easily find out if you are left anything. Then fix bearing. This bearing you can fix before this one also. this bearing, then fix that one. Then make this C-lock. Now fix this one. This there is one bearing here. This will go inside here. Now fix these screws. Now fix this. Now rear side is finished. Only we have the spring is after that one. Now this side. First fix this one. When you are fixing this one, see it will fix on here. See on this hole it will fix. Make like this. Then it will go downside of this one, and on this will come this between. Okay. Now you see it came like this, and these two will fix like this. Now you can fix this screw. If it is have any distance, then it will break the belt. So make sure. See, now it's both are is touched here. This one and this one is touched. That you need to make sure. So once it fixed, then you can fix this one. See, this will come like this. And there are two screws here. Then you can fix this one. Now there is a spring. The springs will come from here to here. Okay, while fixing back also hold on the corners and fix it. Okay, now all our what we have removed it finished. Now we can rotate like this. While rotating, see, hold like this, not belt, on the metal body and here. Hold like this and keep it here. Belt will not touch on the ground. There is inside, that one will be there. Then you can